In today's video, you're going to see real before and after kitchen transformations that prove one thing. If your kitchen feels old, small, or boring, watch till the end, because some of these ideas might surprise you and save you thousands. No luxury brands. No heavy renovation. Just smart budget hacks that completely change the look and feel. Why most kitchens look old. Many kitchens don't look bad because they are small or low budget. They look bad because they are outdated. Old colors, poor lighting, and messy counters slowly kill the look of the space. People often ignore these issues for years, thinking renovation will be too expensive. But in reality, most kitchens only need smart upgrades, not full replacement. This is where transformation begins. The real meaning of budget makeover. A budget makeover does not mean cheap quality. It means smart planning. Instead of breaking cabinets or changing layouts, these transformations focus on improving what already exists. By fixing surfaces, colors, and lighting, the kitchen starts to feel new again. This approach saves money and avoids unnecessary damage and mess. The before scene, common problems. In the before kitchens, you'll notice the same problems again and again. Cabinets look dark and scratched, tiles feel outdated, and lighting is weak. Storage is poorly planned, so everything stays on the counter. These small issues together make the kitchen feel crowded and tiring to use every day. Cabinets that change the whole look. Cabinets are the first thing your eyes notice. Instead of replacing them, these kitchens upgraded cabinets with paint, vinyl wraps, or thin laminate sheets. Old handles were changed to modern styles. Without touching the structure, the kitchen suddenly looked cleaner, brighter, and more modern. This single step created the biggest visual change. Countertop tricks that save money. Replacing countertops is expensive, so smart alternatives were used. Polishing old stone, applying coatings, or using stone-look films refreshed the surface. The counter started to look smooth, clean, and stylish again. This simple trick saved a big part of the budget while still improving the overall design. Lighting that changes the mood. Lighting is often ignored, but it makes a huge difference. In these makeovers, LED strip lights under cabinets and warm ceiling lights were added. The kitchen instantly felt brighter and more open. Good lighting also made cooking easier and highlighted the new finishes beautifully. Color choices that make space look bigger. Dark colors can make kitchens feel small and heavy. These transformations use light shades like white, soft gray, and warm wood tones. In some kitchens, a single soft accent color was added for balance. These color choices helped reflect light and made even small kitchens feel open and calm. Storage hacks that remove clutter. Mess can ruin even the best design. That's why smart storage solutions were added. Pull-out baskets, corner units, wall shelves, and cabinet organizers helped hide clutter. When counters became clear, the kitchen instantly looked more expensive and organized. Before versus after, the real transformation. When you compare the before and after, the difference is shocking. The same kitchen space feels completely new. What once looked dark and messy now feels bright, modern, and welcoming. This comparison proves that smart ideas can create big results, even on a limited budget. Before,
Old, dark,
no planning. After,
bright, clean,
well organized. Change colors, upgrade lighting, improve storage. If this video inspired you, like, subscribe, and share. More smart and budget-friendly transformations are coming. Thanks for watching.